Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can move keyframes in the CapCut video editor. It is super simple guys, and I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so let's get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do first is place the video clip you would like to add keyframes to from your library to your timeline here by left clicking and drag and dropping it here on your timeline. Next, adjust its length if necessary, and what you want to do next is set your first keyframe, for example here at the beginning of this video clip. For instance, I would like to make that video clip here smaller and place it here at the top of the frame, just like that. So let me do that really quickly. And what you want to do next guys is set your first keyframe by clicking on that diamond icon here to the right where it says position. Doing that will set your first keyframe. Now to set the second keyframe guys, move your playhead here on your timeline, for example, right to the end of this video, just like that. And now let me move that video clip here to the bottom of the frame, just like that. Doing that will set the second keyframe here. Now as you can see, that video clip is moving from the top to the bottom of that frame, from one keyframe to the next. So how can you move the second keyframe here, for example? Well, it is actually mind-blowingly simple. Simply left click on it here on your timeline and drag it to the position on your timeline where you would like to place it next. Like for example, let's say here at the 7-second mark, drag the keyframe with your left mouse and release your left mouse just like that. Let us watch it in the preview. There you go. The frame stops moving here at the 7-second mark where I set the second keyframe, and you can repeat the same process with any keyframes you set guys. So again, let me move my playhead here to the end of the video and let me position the video here to the left, for example. That will set a third keyframe here automatically. And if you like now, you can place or remove that keyframe, the third keyframe, along on your timeline just like that with your left mouse. Also guys, you can move between these keyframes and select them by simply clicking on this arrow to the right and arrow to the left icons here on the right hand side to switch from one keyframe to the next one. So guys, you can play around with this as much as you like. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.